Okay, let's open it.
Help me.
What do you think it is?
I think it's my lollipop. I think my lollipop is back.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Okay.
Okay.
What is it?
It's my lollipop. I did it!
Uh-oh.
Look at it!
What is it?
It's a lollipop!
Wow!
Can I just taste it?
Was there anything else in there?
Yeah. Let me see. Look, there's another
What is
lollipop.
that one?
That one's
That was purple.
purple.
You did request a purple one.
Ooh, look at a blue one.
What is that one? That one looks like a toilet.
Huh?
That one looks like a toilet. You got 3. Oh my goodness. What is that one? Oh, cool.
What is this one? I want this one.
You want that one first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have that one?
I'm afraid we're gonna have to wait until after dinner.
But can I have one?
You can have it after dinner.
But I want it right now.
I know, but you
Can
gotta
I have
wait.
one?
You can have one after dinner.
I want one. These are my lollipops.
Grandma and Grandpa gave you lots. What do you say?
Thank you.
Look here and say, thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
And Grandpa. Having it.
A grasshopper.
What do you think of that?
That's yuck. Grandma, yuck. Grandma, yuck. It's a grandma, yuck.
Yeah, Grandma, yuck.
You can give us that. This one.
Yeah, fun.
Or this one.
Yeah?
I want this one.
That's one you're going to do?
Yeah.
All right, we better go have dinner then. Are you sticking your lollipop in a toilet and then licking it?
Uh-huh.
Yuck.
That's not good.
You don't eat out of the toilet.
Yeah. You don't need in toilets, Mommy. You don't need in toilets.
No.
No.
Is it sour?